In today's video, I'm going to teach you Apply Heading Styles. We'll walk through how to apply headings in Microsoft Word so your document stays organized and generates an accurate, automatic table of contents. By the end, you'll be able to format your sections correctly, insert a table of contents, and update it anytime your document changes. Let's start by applying heading styles. Word builds a table of contents from the built-in heading levels. Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for sub-subsections. Highlight a section title in your document. Then go to the Home tab and look for the Styles group. Click Heading 1 if it's a main heading. For items nested beneath that, use Heading 2 and go one level deeper with Heading 3. The key here is consistency. Don't just make text bold or larger. Make sure the correct heading level is actually applied. That label is what Word reads when it creates the table of contents. As you move through your document, apply the appropriate heading level to each title so the structure mirrors your outline. Once your headings are in place, it's time to insert the table of contents. Place your cursor where you want it to appear. Most people put it at the very beginning of the document on its own page. Go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, and choose a built-in option such as Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. Either choice will scan your document and assemble a table of contents based on the headings you've used, complete with page numbers and clickable links for easy navigation. As you continue writing, you'll likely add, remove, or move sections. When that happens, the table of contents needs a refresh, so page numbers and entries stay accurate. Click anywhere inside the table of contents to select it. Choose Update Table. If you've only changed the length of content and the headings themselves are the same, select Update Page Numbers only. If you renamed headings, added new ones, or restructured sections, select Update Entire Table, then click OK. This quick update ensures your table of contents always reflects the current state of your document. A final tip: make updating the table part of your last pass before sharing, exporting, or printing. That way, readers get a clean, reliable map of your document. With consistent heading styles, a correctly placed and inserted table of contents, and routine updates, your Word documents will look polished and stay easy to navigate.